Need to remove tops from soda cans, but don't want to use cutting shears or deal with sharp edges? Stay tuned, we'll show you 2 easy methods that you can do at home right now. For the first method, you'll need a spray bottle, some paper towels, and some sandpaper. We're using Grit 80 for this video. And finally, you'll need an empty can with the pull tab removed. For the second method, you'll need the spray bottle. You'll also need a cordless drill like this one, along with a sanding disc attachment with Grit 80 sandpaper. Finally, you'll need your soda can and some paper towels. To get started on the wet sanding method, you'll need to use the spray bottle to wet our sandpaper positioned on the paper towels as shown. Make sure you have a solid grip at the base of the can upper shoulder. Continue to rotate the can across the sandpaper as shown. Occasionally wet the surface as needed, then continue. Although this method can be tiring, if you can keep a steady rhythm, it should only take slightly longer than 3 minutes to loosen the top. Wet the sandpaper as often as needed. The water will help make the sanding process go smoother. Once the top starts to come loose, you should be able to feel some added friction against the sandpaper. Once you notice it, you should be able to pull the top off as shown. For the sanding disc method, wet the top of the can, then grip the can firmly as shown. Position the can over the paper towel, then hold the sanding disc firmly against it and begin sanding. Without any interruption, it should take nearly a minute to loosen the can top using this method. Once you see debris from the can on the paper towel, it will be the first indication that the lid is about to come free. Just pull the lid until it comes free. Don't forget to leave a comment or question below. If you enjoyed our video, please take a moment to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching.